How to fix storage error in Steam. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact errors that you can face for storage and how you will resolve them. So if you are facing any kind of storage error, especially related to your C drive or D drives, then let me show you a quick fix. So Steam provides built-in support for these type of errors. So what you can do is simply click onto this Steam button at the top left corner and then click settings. Now this will lead you to the Steam settings, and from here you can click on storage. Now from here you need to find out which particular storage is doing the errors. So for example, let's say if the C drive is giving you errors, simply choose the C drive and then click onto these three dots. And from here you have the second last option, that is repair library. So click onto this repair library and click on yes. Now you can see that the library is being repaired and that this has been done. Just close this dialog box and try to reinstall your game again, and hopefully you will not get the error message again. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.